Hey guys, it's Wolf here. I'm not at my place, but I just got this Dipal D1, so we're just gonna do a raw video of its unboxing. So pre-ordered this back in, was it July, August of 2025, and finally it got here. Very nice so far, good packaging. Alright, let's move that a little bit. So right off the bat, we got the silver box with wrap on it. Side got the D1 character pod. Same D1 there. And just kind of your normal recycle, throw this away. It's got the battery in it. It's made in China. Production period 11/25, so November. Well, it looks like it's already open on this corner, so I guess we'll just get right into it. Forgive my phone stand here, I'm not at home with my better one. Now let's see, I think this just opens up. Got foam here, there is a little pull tab. Let's see, what was that fell? Okay, well, this was in between the two foam pieces. I didn't see that, and it fell. So, there's my backing number, 1447. Let's see. Just had to make sure there's no codes or anything on there. To our foundation partners, your initial trust made our journey possible and distinct. We are honored to venture forth with you, the Dipal team. Then Dipal Characters Live, and then got the lifetime membership, Dipal VP, like a credit card. I'll look at that later. So, nice little pin of pearl. Pretty cool. Okay, this is the acrylic stand, I believe. What they said, I think it is, unless it's just a... Okay, this is just a character stand, not a stand for the Dipal. Yeah, everyone got one of these for being patient with the delays and everything. So that's cool. Oh, everything is falling out. So here's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Feels very good quality. It's braided. Let's see, where did that wall piece fall to? Alright, here's the wall piece that fell. There's a 30 watt. There's the USB-C port. There's the instruction manual. There's some QR codes if you need that. shows the contents, some of the information. As I'm flipping through these, today was the second day of them being delivered, of the first batch, and mine's just the standard color. But I'm also backer 1447, so I'm not sure why I got mine so early. Surely there's hundreds of people ahead of me, but I am thankful for that, for the Dipal team. No, pretty normal stuff. Probably don't need to go through every single page. Now, hopefully, the character pod doesn't come flying out like the other stuff. There is a little pull tab, so I'm going to open this slow to make sure that doesn't come out. And there is our first look at the character pod, sitting in there very nicely. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's go ahead and move this box out of the way. I don't think there's anything else in there. So it does have the little screen protector, you know, just like the vinyl flap or whatever that is. Turning on its side here, you see Dipal there, which is cool. On the back you got your power button. This looks like an auxiliary port, probably just for speakers, so you can, because you're going to be able to do a lot of stuff through this, play music, virtual assistant. Then here's the USB-C port, and these are probably microphones right here. Maybe one of them's probably a light and then a microphone. So turning it this way, still got the same dipole on it. Then we'll look at the top here. These are all physical buttons. So you got plus and minus for volume, I'm guessing. The middle one talks. Here, this one here looks like the light. And I'm not sure what this one is here, but I'm sure we'll find out. Looks like some more microphone spots, because you know you need a bunch of those for something like this so it hears you. Then on the bottom, pretty standard, the hex screws, and then you got the little foam feet to keep it from sliding around. So boom, there's that. This cable doesn't look too long. Thankfully I have longer ones than this. Looks about a 3-foot cable. So we're gonna go ahead and do a jump cut till when I have it plugged in, because I got to go get the other cable. No one wants to just sit around, so I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in. Peel off that, very nice. And okay, maybe I have to hold down the power. Definitely see a red light in there going on. Well, I'm guessing they just need some juice, so we'll do another jump cut till it starts to power up. And we're back. So it did not like the other cable that I used, so I had to move it to a different spot and plug in the cable it has, and as you just seen, it's doing that. So hopefully that means it's ready to turn on. Here we are, the first startup. I know it's hard to see on the camera or on your screen, but in person the colors look very, very vibrant, very nice, like very deep colors. It doesn't look washed out at all. It looks really nice. Well, as you see there, I'm gonna have to do all that. So I will be back. Either you'll see another jump cut, or I'll make a second video. So if you end up not seeing me after this, let me know if you got one, if you plan on getting one, and what kind of character you plan to use. Since it's an open source system, you're going to be able to pretty much use any character you want. So I'm going to end up using Hatsune Miku whenever someone makes her, because she's not officially on here. So yeah, I will see you guys in possibly the next video, and if not, we'll be right back.